Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chris. Today I'm looking to bring this idea to life. With JLC3DP, the future of manufacturing with advanced 3D printing service. JLC3DP focus on providing 3D printing technology and material which covers SLA, MJF, SLM, FDM, SLS technologies. JLC3DP's streamlined online platform allows for easy upload of 3D models, instant codes, and real-time auto tracking for material selection to the speedy delivery of final products. They meticulously manage every step, with production times as fast as 24 hours and delivery within just 2 days. JLC3DP is a perfect choice with high quality and efficiency. Check out what JLC3DP can do for you at the link below. Up to $60 new user coupons,